Welcome back to This and That Crafts. Today we're going to unpackage this Magic Shack miniature house. It's from INSGEN. It's a 1/24 scale. Box has a little damage, but that should be okay. Have a whole lot of pieces in here. Here's our paper sheets. When something's curly like this, the best thing to do is go over it with a dry iron on the back of it, and that will flatten it out. So it looks like there's a lot of book pages here. These look like music sheets. They're very cute. Book covers. This one has pictures and the poems by T.S. Eliot. Here's some more book covers. And this looks like maps. We've got flooring with a rug. More flooring and leaves. These are adorable. Let's see what's over here. We have more book covers, possibly paintings. Book covers here. A sign and some maps. More book covers, English literature. I love how they're all actual looking book covers. Here looks like boxes. Some old newspaper articles and manuscripts. Some brick wall, some more flooring. And here's flooring, outside flooring. And we got a bag of all kind of little doodads. These are probably flower pots, or to be used as flower pots, and lighting. Some wiring in here, and our battery pack to run the lighting. Have a bag. Here's a little magnifying glass. More pots and flower stems, and that's a metal wire. And beads for flower pots. More flower stems. There's some green floral wire in here. This looks like a little bag of stone in there, gravel. Little wood dowels, and that looks like a ship's wheel. I love the little magnifying glass here. That's cute and adorable. Oh, here we got a toolkit. We got a blade and a tweezer and a roller, little pair of scissors, and a screwdriver. That's new. That's a nice addition. And here, this is all shrink wrapped. This looks like all the railing and the furniture that goes inside. And here's our instruction booklet. Take a look through there. Here's the finished product. Labels all our pieces. Shows all of them with their descriptions and numbers and dimensions, and all our decorative pieces. And our instructions, starting out with a really cute pot of fringy flowers. Here's leaves, pots of greenery, candlesticks. Those should be cute. This looks like a crystal ball. Here's the magnifying glass. It evidently has a glass lens to put in it. Fruit bowl. Here, those manuscripts and newspapers get rolled up into the one bead pot. This looks like a little basket of firewood. And here is a feather quill, and then assembly of all the books. A lot of assembly of books. And then this is boxes. Here's a basket, picture frames, pictures, more pictures, a little fireplace, sort of fireplace, some bookcases. Here's the fireplace. So this is the fireplace mantle, and that's your fireplace. I believe that also gets lit up. Here's our desk with our quill and the globe, and a desk. Oh, this is the beginning of, that's the beginning picture, and this is the instructions. Rocking chair and a dresser, a step ladder, a little table, and a bench. And then our flooring and our outside stone walkway and our steps. And then here's construction of the big light inside, the main light. And there's some smaller lights and how to wire it and assemble it. And then the final assembly. This looks really adorable. I'm looking forward to that. I'm hoping you'll join me. Thank you. Have a good day.